Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Canva Creator program, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on the Canva Creators site, and all you need to do is go to, canva.com/creators, and you'll get to this page. Now, the Creator program is basically a program where you can work for Canva and create content for them, but there are no deadlines, none of the sort, and you can create a bit of a passive income through keeping your artwork and your products on the online marketplace. Now, when you get to this page, all you need to do is click become a creator, and of course, if you're already linked in, you will need to follow the instructions that are on the screen. You'll need to pick which type of content you want to create, choose that, and then apply, and then go through the works with that. I won't be doing that, and as you can see, it is not in English for me, so it can only be more confusing for you. But all you have to do is click on become a creator, fill in all the information needed, and then you can get approved by Canva if they choose you to be a part of the program. I'm not sure if you need to be approved. You might need to be, however, you most likely will get approved, or you might need to give them some sort of preemptive art. It doesn't really matter, but that is pretty much how you become a creator partner, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.